This steering wheel was installed 6 months ago, and in those 6 months I probably put about 4,000 miles on my car, so it's definitely got some usage over the past 6 months. This is a 2022 Mercedes style steering wheel that I got from DMP Car Design, and I installed it on my 2016 Mercedes-Benz C300. If you haven't watched the video yet, definitely go check out the install video. I'll link it in the description below. So let's talk about the looks and the quality of this steering wheel. I love the way it looks, and everybody that borrows my car or sits in my car or sees my car at a car meet loves this steering wheel, and I think it's a huge upgrade over the stock steering wheel. I mean, just look at the carbon fiber. The carbon fiber still looks great. The red stripe still looks awesome. There's no flaking, there's no chipping, there's no cracking. Everything just looks brand new. And if you take a look at the leather and also the button controls, everything is perfect. There's no flaking, there's no tears, there's no rips. It just looks really good. My only issue is on cold days, the carbon fiber, because it's a gloss finish, it actually feels pretty cold to my hand, but it's not a big issue. I just grab the leather anyways because I always drive with my hand in the 7 o'clock position. Now let's talk about the functionality of this steering wheel. So the steering wheel turns with no strange issues or anything whatsoever. There's no weird noises. There's no errors on the dash light, no airbag lights. Everything's just been really good. And all the buttons work just like they did from day one when I first installed it on my car. However, because of some of the capacitive touch controls for the menu scrolling up and down and also the volume control, some people have an issue with that, and that's not a problem on this steering wheel. That's just a problem on any Mercedes steering wheel 2022 and on that have those touch controls. For me, it wasn't a big issue. I actually like touching the volume scrolling up and down. However, for the menu control, when I was swiping up and down when I first installed the steering wheel, I felt it was really sensitive, so it kind of jumped around in the menu. But after a while, I actually got used to it, and I understood exactly how much to touch and how much pressure to apply, and it works awesome. Next, because this is a sports steering wheel, I want to talk about the paddle shifters, and they're awesome. And because this is a sports steering wheel, the paddle shifters are much larger. They feel great to the touch, and every time I click it, it actually gives me a clicking sound, which is great feedback, especially when I need to know if I'm shifting. And that's common with every sports steering wheel. Check this out. This is my 2014 Audi R8 Spider. Listen to the paddles on this. And check this out as well. Right over here is a brand new sports steering wheel for my Audi A4 from DMP Car Design. And this also has paddles. And listen to these. So overall, I love this steering wheel. It's been a great 6 months. I'm definitely gonna keep it on the car. It's really cool. People love it a lot. My wife loves driving with the steering wheel. I love driving with the steering wheel. The only issue was it was pretty expensive, but at the same time, I was able to sell my OEM steering wheel and recoup a lot of that money back as well. So at the end of the day, I think it was actually pretty affordable for a really cool upgrade. And yes, because I really like this steering wheel, I'm gonna be installing a sports steering wheel on my Audi A4, also from DMP Car Design.